So we are doing an unboxing of the red iguana practice hand, the silicone practice hand at that. Oh my gosh, look at the love of my life right now. All right, so this is just like a thank you, and you can use the Hello 5 on your next order with 5% off, which is great. And then on the other piece of paper, it's just like instructions on how to use and la 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 la. I didn't look at it, didn't really read it, whatever, but I'm just showing y'all, if some other people are more like, readers than I am, whatever. Then it comes with this little bracelet. So listen, I thought that I did some research and I thought it came with a bracelet and a ring. So I'm only gonna assume that, seeing that I got the 100% silicone and not the one with the armature, I'm assuming that the one with the armature comes with the ring and the bracelet. Or maybe she's just like, hey, I'm not doing both of them. Whatever. But look at the hand. Look at the hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So my husband, he came downstairs and he was like, oh my gosh, that looks like a real head. And he started playing with it, girl. He actually started thinking that it was, what is it? Is it hand or whatever that thing's called from the Addams Family? Like, he literally started running it across the table on my shoulder, stuff like that. He's annoying. But I was just showing you like how deep, I don't know if you really could tell, but how deep the I guess the little pocket behind the nail bed, the cuticle goes. And I got the one that's not posable, and I feel like it's perfectly fine, because I'm just like, I don't know why somebody would want the armature. Not knocking it, but it seems like as a nail tech, you would want them to relax their finger, and it feels like 100% a relaxed finger. So I like it. So I'm glad I didn't get the armature. And right here, I'm just showing you the my brush against the nail beds for whatever reason, and that was a size 18 brush, if you care. And I'm just about to get the nail tip and try to stick it in there and just show y'all like what it's hitting for, nail bed. The nail tip kind of went back a little far enough, like it showed you the length. It was great, girl. It's great. And then on top of that, you can practice on what are those things called? Balances. Yes, because in my whole life of a nail tech, I've only done one, and it wasn't over my work. So, yeah, this hand is, when I say great, I mean great. I can't wait to actually, start taking pictures. And then on top of that, that's another thing that I got this hand for, because when you want to build your Instagram account and doing nails and stuff, it's like you don't want your that hard plastic hand from Amazon, because it just doesn't look too clean, like whatever. Oh girl, that bracelet, look at that bracelet. Oh, you fancy now. But yeah, I got the hand so it looked like I actually did somebody's hand. You got to actually look at the picture to see, oh, that's a practice hand. Like, gotcha. But girl, that's all. Look, I'm just showing you how flexible the fingers are. Everything is great, and I feel like, and it's almost the size of my hand. And girl, if you're thinking about it, got an extra $149, get the hand. Extra $180 to ship the hand. Great. Like, all total, my total was $180 with the tips, shipping, the hand, everything. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was nothing much to it, And comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Have a good one.